Alright, so today I'm at a Yamaha GA1, which is a very short Yamaha Grand. It's in a church that I tune for about every year. And today as I played the piano, I noticed it just was bright and kind of nasally and pointed right in my face. So before I even tuned the piano, I went through the rapid voicer situation. It took me about 3 minutes. There are basically some grooves, and I'll just want to talk a little bit about how we go about the rapid voicer. But this would be the dead-on strike point right here in the middle, the 12 o'clock position. Now remember, we voice in the 11:30, 11:45, 11:57, up to the 12 o'clock. And so in this situation, it's actually, you know, these hammers are have a little bit of wear on them. So what I've done on this piano is I went through and I started at the 11:30 position. I started right back at the very tip of the groove. It's a safe place to start, and when I bring my rapid voicer tool in, I put right in the groove, okay, and then I just push straight down and maybe a little bit back towards me, so I'm pulling this way under the heart. So that's just a good example in a surface voicing situation where you're not going to reshape the hammers, you're not going to have new hammers, you're going to be basically in the field, and I did this in about 3 minutes through the entire rack on this piano. And here's what the sound is after I do it. Okay, now you can tell a major difference. It's just a night and day difference. The piano sounds amazing. Now it's got that hum, just like Jack was talking about in the book. The piano is moving, the soundboard is moving, and it's humming under my fingers. Now I'm going to play you just a few of the notes of the chromatic scale. Before, when I was playing chords, this piano was really bright, hit me in the face, and now it's a totally different piano. I'll just make some observations about this piano now. Now it is humming under my fingers instead of smacking me in the face. I get a great tone. You can hear the bass is still growling, it's still very present, and I haven't lost any of the melody of the piano. I've voiced from the bottom all the way up. I have not lost any of the power, but I've gained such a swelling, humming tone. And these chords really come out nicely now. And here, that is the bloom that Jack is talking about, that we create with the rapid voicer. It just blooms out. It's exactly what the rapid voicer does. And on this small Yamaha GA1, we've got an incredible sound. It took me about 5 minutes to make that change. So when you have the knowledge and the tools and the confidence to do this, you can really, really up your game as a technician.